if you are a civil services aspirant, you must have definitely been confused about which institution to join for your preparation. There are hundreds of institutions only in Delhi, and everyone claims to be the best. Then where to go? You may be having the same confusion about joining LevelUp IAS also. We are coming up with a solution for you. We are providing free access for first 7 days of our GS Foundation program. If you are a student who is located in Old Rajendra Nagar, you can come and attend our classes offline in our center. If you are someone who is located outside Delhi and cannot attend classes offline, you can attend our classes through online mode. Just fill in the form given in the description, and our team will provide you free access to our entire course for 7 days. In these 7 days, you will be attending 4 classes by G. Babu sir, who will be teaching polity. G. Babu sir himself is a selected candidate. He was selected in civil services examination in 2016. Then you will be attending 3 classes by Vishal sir on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Vishal sir is one of the best history teacher that you will ever study from. Not only this, in our GS Foundation program, we take 2 tests every Sunday. So this Sunday also, you'll have 2 tests. That is on 28th April, you'll have 2 tests, one objective test and one answer writing test. All of you are also invited to participate in it. This will help you revise everything that you study in these 7 days. In this process, you will be able to not only interact with our teacher, interact with our team, you'll also be able to look and understand our online portal, how student friendly it is, and will be in a position to take a call on whether LevelUp IAS suits your requirement or not. Meanwhile, in these 7 days, we'll also ensure that there are regular interaction with toppers. So we'll be conducting some topper session. We'll also be conducting some sessions which are about how to make notes, how to read newspapers, etc. So that you get a very comprehensive picture about how the preparation should be done. So in case you are confused, come and join us free for the next 7 days. Thank you very much.